sweet poa or Bengali sweet bread, a very delicious and tasty dish which can be made easily at home. Today we are going to make sweet poa or Bengali sweet bread. The ingredients are half cup of sugar, half cup of semolina, put in 1 cup of all-purpose wheat flour or maida. Mix all the ingredients together. Pour in 1 cup of lukewarm water. Mix thoroughly so that no lumps are formed. If any lumps are formed, break them. Keep on mixing. If you want, you can use a beater or vigorously mix with a spoon. Put in a pinch of salt. Mix. Once the batter is thoroughly mixed, close and let the batter rest for 15 minutes. The batter should be of this consistency. There should be no lumps. Close and let the batter rest for 15 minutes. Heat the pan and pour in 60 to 70 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. It should be nicely hot, otherwise the poa will get stuck to the bottom of the pan. Now pour in the batter that we prepared earlier into the oil. Turn it to the other side. This will become very soft. Now on turning from side to side every 5 to 10 seconds until it is nicely browned. Now the sweet poa is nicely done and can be taken off. The pan and into the plate. Do this with the rest of the batter so that sweet pea wafers can be made with the rest of the batter. Turn from side to side, and once it is completely brown, take off the flame. This is the final sweet poa or Bengali sweet bread, a very delicious and easy dish which can be made easily at home and which can be given for unexpected guests. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.